People are obsessed with the Ford F-150 Coyote 5.0 engine, and honestly, I get it. That's the beating heart you want if you're stuck choosing between pretty good and I want to unleash a beast every morning. This thing is raw Americana on wheels. Power isn't just on paper. With 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, you've got a truck that laughs at hills and yanks trailers without needing encouragement. And you definitely notice it every single time you pull away from a red light with a little too much confidence. There's this low, rumbling exhaust note that you feel more than hear. It's like having a personal thunderstorm under your foot. If you're the kind of person who wants to wake up on a Monday feeling like you own the road, this sound does something to your brain. But let's talk about gas mileage, because, sure, 400 horses love their oats. Expect something like 17 mpg city and 24 highway if you really nurse it, although it dips fast if you drive like an angry teenager or do a lot of towing. Reliability is that sneaky pain point for a lot of folks. The Coyote isn't perfect, but it isn't some fragile performance princess either. What you get is a proven platform, now on its third generation, ironed out by over a decade of engineers' late-night pizza sessions. Maintenance, though. Don't skimp. These motors love high-quality synthetic oil, and Ford definitely expects you to change it every 7,500 miles, or you'll risk timing chain headaches. If you get lazy, you'll pay for it. Engine repairs are expensive. DIY people curse those tight engine bays. You want to swap spark plugs? You'd better have small, nimble hands or pay a shop. And replacing coil packs? Stock up on patience. There's some bruised knuckles to be found underneath those valve covers. Modding potential is where you can lose all fiscal responsibility. People throw in cold air intakes, headers, and tunes, then push 430-plus horsepower fairly cheap. Pro tip, don't go cheap on the tune, or you'll be visiting a mechanic with your bank account in hand. If you're aiming for longevity, let me save you a headache. Stick with OEM filters, change your fluids religiously, and don't believe the hype about skipping transmission service. The 10-speed auto in recent models loves fresh, clean fluid every 30,000 miles, minimum. Common complaints? Aside from the love affair with fuel, you'll hear about ticking noises or phantom rattles. Some diehards swear it's harmless, others claim it leads to sleepless nights on the forums. It's Ford's version of normal. Want a tow? The Coyote absolutely can, up to 13,000 pounds when properly equipped, which is a monster number. Just know that towing anything heavy will make you feel like a rock star for about 50 miles, then you'll start budgeting for gas. Again, would I daily drive one in Portland's stop-and-go traffic? Personally, yes, but it's a power trip and a luxury. You notice its size and appetite at the pump, but you'll have a grin every time you hear that V8 bellow, guaranteed.